Hi guys, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This will create a clipping mask where the top layer shape different this visible area of the layer below. Place the layer you want to mask it below the layer that will act as the mask. Select the layer when to act as mask. Right click on the top layer and choose creating. Use the shortcut clear command. This will creating act clipping mask the where visible area of mask in Adobe Photoshop layer. Position the layer you want to mask below the layer where will layer effect in the mask.